Hey there, welcome back. Today we will be looking at how to make a professional resume in Word. So let's get to it. Here is the design. In this video I will show you how to edit every element of this template so you can edit it by yourself and make it according to your CV or resume the way you like. Download this template, it's free. The link is below in the description. Upon the opening, you will see two folders. Open the support and documentation folder. Now open the fonts and how to install the fonts file. Install the required fonts. Just click the link. Fonts are free to download. Now open the source file and you will see folders for Photoshop, Illustrator, Apple Page. But we are going to edit this template in Word. So open the Word folder. Now we will be using window, so the window will. Okay, from now on, follow the steps. First thing, we are going to add picture. So click on the rectangle 2 times or just when it gets selected. Then right click and select add text. After that, drag your picture in there. Now comes to the title. I am going to change it to mechanical engineer, and if the title don't fit in there, so you can expand or compress the text to make it fit. Now the about us section. First change the us to me, like it should be about me. Now select all the text by pressing Ctrl A and press backspace. Now add your text here. If the text don't fit in here, try to decrease the line spacing. Keep the font size to 8 and try to be concise and focused. There is nothing difficult in the education section. It is advised to add recent 2 degrees of your education to your resume. It looks good and sounds fit. To move the text, click on the text. Now select the rectangular box and move it. To move the dots, click on the dot and then press Ctrl arrow like up, down, left or right to move it in that direction. Now the skills section, you can edit these skills just by clicking the text and then change its value in the rectangular box. Just select the line and press Ctrl left or right to change it. I would like to change the text right here in the softwares, like it should be matching to mechanical engineering. So I will add AutoCAD, ANSYS, SolidWorks, and MS Office. I would like to change the hobbies to language. To me it sounds good, so I need to remove these icons also. Now copy the text from the software sections and paste it here. Now copy the rectangle from above and paste it in the front of language. Now add the mark to every rectangle. By the same method, copy it from the above. Now comes to the reference. Some people like to add comments here. I would prefer to add the contact of the person, so I will show you both. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give it a big thumb, share the video and don't forget to subscribe.